Good morning, OG family. This is Jacob. We're here at the Sapphire Camp. It's 11:09 a.m. We're making OGX pancakes, 12 of them for all of the participants here at the Sapphire Camp. We're listening to our peaceful music. We are drinking coffee, and what else are we doing, Martha?
Oh my gosh, we're just sharing our time together and enjoying each other's company and learning a lot, and just this morning has been absolutely beautiful.
Yeah, what are you learning?
That it's really nice to share time with people that are really important to you, and that it's really important. And then it's really important too to take care of yourself. Just really give yourself a good, positive environment. And then when you have that really good, positive environment, you can take it out to the world and share it with them.
Love it, love it. Good morning, Dennis, by the way. So, you guys that are in this kitchen right now, I'll come to the hammock room in a second. Just stay where you are. Just stay where you are. Share what we did yesterday. How'd we start? How'd you feel? How'd you enjoy it? What was the question? What did we do yesterday?
Oh my gosh, we had so much fun.
Cornelia.
What did we do yesterday?
We played 31. She won again.
Cornelia won some money.
She won money. We got that ping pong tournament going.
Oh my gosh, ping pong.
That was great. That was
Colton
great.
and Jacob were just on fire. It was hysterical. I don't know if I've ever laughed that hard over a ping pong game.
It was like the Chinese guys.
Oh, the karaoke was so much fun.
Amelia's arriving. And then we did karaoke. And what'd you sing? What'd you sing?
So he sang "Ring of Fire," and you should have been here.
And then what did you sing?
What did we sing?
You sang Journey, and then Phil Collins.
Don't Stop, no, something, I don't know.
In the Air Tonight.
In the Air Tonight, yeah.
And Cornelia, what did we sing?
I don't know. It's not my favorite song. But
Oh my gosh, I like big butts.
No, we sang Let's Get It On. So.
Oh, let's get it on. That's even
So,
better.
how did you like the dinner? How did you like the ping pong tournament? How did you like the 31?
I love it. And in Hungary, we usually take the same Sapphire camps, and I love it. And it's totally similar. Everybody just enjoy and develop in the enjoy base. So everybody just have fun and working together.
And Martha, how many appointments did you set yesterday?
I set 11 appointments.
Good Lord.
And that was something that was really good for me. If I can share it with y'all, is that to have this kind of support, and just to have the support, and it's kind of a competition.
Yeah.
And it was really nice to have that.
Yeah.
I said 11 yesterday, and I'm fired up about that.
Good Lord. Today we're making vision boards. And we will soon be releasing a video of a recap of the Sapphire Camp. So share how you like Sapphire Camp. Just share what we did yesterday, what you liked.
Okay, Jacob has kept us on schedule.
I think there's two.
And we're just having lots of fun, networking with each other, talking about how to help one another.
You gotta put butter under that. You gotta put butter under there.
I know. We need more butter.
Cornelia, could you put some butter? Go ahead.
And how to help one another in our business.
What do we do, when we arrived? What do we do for dinner? What do we do?
Okay, so we, the first thing we did was we started setting appointments. Well, we talked about ourselves, and then we started setting appointments. We went to Perry and Son. Some people had steak and pork and all kinds of fun stuff. Then we came back and we had a ping pong tournament.
Oh.
And that was on fire.
It was like balls of fury.
It was, you guys, we know who the ping pong people are.
Yeah.
Y'all should have just been here. I don't know what else.
We had a team competition.
Yeah. Then we did karaoke. That was
What'd you sing?
So fun.
Oh,
let's see. My team, we sung, Colton and Olga and I, we sang
Ring of Fire.
Ring of Fire. That was, hey. Hey, Olga, can you come here for a second?
No, we're not doing
We're
it.
not doing it again.
Oh.
We got the videos. We'll post the videos soon.
Okay. See, Ring of Fire and Summer Nights. And so that was fun.
Of Greece, yeah.
Yeah,
From
in Greece.
That was fun.
Yeah, and then let's see, what did we do after? Oh, and then we played 31, and
You made it pretty far.
that was interesting.
Mm-hmm.
So
And today we are
We're watching a webinar. We're making vision boards. Yes, you need to get there. Making vision boards. We're watching a webinar, and we are doing some other teen activities, cooking, ordering food later, and then we're going to be doing team dinner, and then more awesome stuff tonight, and then tomorrow much of the same.
Al, how did you like the first day? What did we do? What'd you like?
I liked everything, man. Just it's really a good energy around here. We've just been networking and putting in work and having fun and just being ourselves and becoming better every day.
Where did you guys sleep?
I slept in the Airbnb room. It was
Where did you all sleep?
Well, Al and I slept together
Okay.
in the Airbnb.
Not in the same bed.
Not the same.
Not in the
We'll
same.
Just have a really. Where's your phone?
Yeah.
So yeah, I slept in the air. I won. What did I win?
You just won the right to choose where you sleep.
I won the right to choose where I sleep. So
Yep.
I slept in Airbnb, which was absolutely. It was really so nice.
Martha had most animated karaoke performance of everybody.
Surprisingly enough.
Yeah,
y'all
Martha
know me,
destroyed
right?
karaoke. She just amazed everybody.
I need a cup.
You need a cup? Right there. Right there. So, and you all slept, other side, you all slept, Martha, your head. You all slept here in the vicinity of this living room and house.
Yep.
There's a couch bed, chair bed, beanbag bed, a couple of other beds over there. So Al, what did you sing last night? How was ping pong? How was dinner? We sang Let's Get It On. Yeah. And what are you taking from this so far?
That's a good question, man. Just being involved and staying plugged in is the key to your building your business in the future.
Yeah.
So just staying plugged in and just listening to everyone around you and taking something from it and using it for the best of your ability for when we leave here.
Absolutely, absolutely. Olga, let's hear. Take a pause for a second. Let's hear. How you're liking everything and what's going on.
Oh, it's awesome. Meeting new people, friends, and learning a lot.
Mm-hmm.
The best part about it is staying up late.
Yeah, we were up significantly late.
Yeah, almost 3 a.m.
Yes.
Yeah.
But it's great. Y'all are missing it. Sorry, but I'm glad I'm here.
So what do we do? What did we do yesterday? How did we start? What did we eat? What did we triathlon?
Well, ping pong was good. Whoop. And then doing our stage fright up here.
Oh yeah, karaoke over there.
The karaoke was good. And then enjoying a little bit of a round of 31, which was awesome.
That was a lot of fun.
That was the best part too. And then getting to know all these people. And a lot of new people because I'm not from Houston.
Yep, you're from College
College
Station.
Station,
It's about an
so
hour and a half away.
Pretty good drive, but I love it.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yes, of
Y'all
course.
are missing.
Of course.
Of course. So now we are eating food, and we're just getting ready to kick off the day. We're really chill right now. Pete, super nice to see you. We've had an amazing time, and this is something that I'm going to be committed to hosting once a month. Everyone's having so much fun here. It's an all-weekend thing, and it's designed to bring the team much closer together. I learned this overseas in Europe, and it seems to be working really well. So everybody's just having a super good time, and we did cards last night. We did karaoke. We did a ping pong tournament. We did team dinner. We had people working on setting appointments. Martha won that with 11 appointments set. She just is crushing it. This week she has 11 coffee appointments set. So hope all of you are taking notes here and learning what we're doing, because on the leadership call on the 10th in a few days I'll be sharing more about what we did and how you can do these yourself. But anyways, Have a beautiful day, guys. We'll post a video of last night soon.